is your full name?
My full name is Amy Wigaratani.
What is your nickname?
I'm Amy.
When was you born?
I'm born here in Wisconsin.
Where you are at?
Still here. Wisconsin.
How long you work as a teacher?
About 2 years.
As a teacher, what is your role office?
For telling the children an international language, I think.
Why you have to be an English teacher?
Because it's interesting for me.
How about your education background?
When I was child, I spent my elementary school in Ujung Berung Elementary School, and when I SMP and SMA or high school, it's on Portugal.
What is your impression as English teacher?
Impression, more passion, I guess, because teach children is really from basic, like that's like we are teaching teenager because it's harder than the other ones. It's from basic really.
When you're as English teacher,
Since 2010.
what do you think about learning a new